your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and your favorite massage therapist and my favorite massage therapist, Joseph. It's early in the morning on Tuesday, and Joseph's our first patient of the day. So, Joseph tweaked his back sneezing last night, right?
Yes, sir.
And you know, people can get subluxations or muscle spasm or spinal dysfunction from any number of activities: sleeping wrong, sitting wrong, standing wrong, bending, lifting, twisting wrong, working on the computer all day long without taking a break, and forward head posture, sneezing, coughing, belching. I don't think I've ever seen anybody get out of place from farting, but
I didn't expect that.
Well, I don't know.
we had to start the morning off with a little humor.
Oh, man. I was like, what else can you say?
I say maybe yours.
That was good.
Oh, some of you guys were asking where's the video on Brooke. She had a scheduling conflict on Thursday of last week, so she's coming in this Thursday at 3 p.m. in her wrestling outfit, and we're going to be adjusting her on Thursday of this week at 3 p.m. instead. So y'all make sure and tune in for that. There you go, just breathe normal. I'll catch you. There we go. You feel that one?
Yes, sir.
Joseph's getting where he starts to anticipate me a little bit. There we go. There we go. Good. Okay. Today's Tuesday, Justin. We still need to get our pins. Okay.
Yeah, Justin.
Yeah, the other Justin.
He might have heard.
Justin from Ohio.
No, Florida.
No, the pins are from Ohio.
Oh, okay.
Quit arguing with me.
I know.
You know I'm always right. Okay, now, Joseph's legs are even, but he still has nerve interference down here at L4, L5, so I'm adjusting his pelvis first to create a stable base for his spine, and then I'm adjusting L5, straight P to A, L4, L3, boy that was probably sore. Okay. There's some good. That's it. Boy, that moved good. See, I'm grabbing the inside of your perispinals and pushing them out. Okay. I'm going to put some real deep, steady pressure right down in what I call the pocket, right down at the bottom of the lumbar spine at the L5 paraspinal muscles, which is the multifidus, the quadratus lumborum, and the erector spinae, where it attaches from the vertebrae, lumbar spine vertebrae, to the pelvis, the sacrum, and the SI joints. Pretty tender there, huh? Okay, I'm going to move up to L4 now. I have seen people subluxate themselves from straining too much to go to the bathroom. I don't know why I got back on that topic. It's happened. And believe me, I guarantee you there'll be viewers out there that have had that happen to them. Okay, you gotta get right down here in your glutes too. Woo, that one's really tender. Just is giving me my morning workout. There we go. Oh yeah, really well. There we go. Okay, let's turn you in your back. Okay, let me see there. That's full range of motion. I'm not going to do anything to that. That's also full range of motion. Good job. Okay. Slide you down this way a tiny bit. There you go. There. Okay. Now this is probably one of the adjustments that's going to help Joseph the most right here. Oh yeah. That's a good one. How's your knee and your back? Nope, let this one go for me. There we go, better. Okay, let's adjust this for you. There we go. Need to make sure Joseph's all lined up because he's got a busy day ahead of him too. There we go. You need this adjustment today.
It's been a while.
Okay. Wow. Let's take another look. Yeah, that already looks better. Let's pull that there. Yeah, we'll get this one. Now shift your pelvis just a little left. Yep, hold that right there. Look up a little bit. Okay. Now try that same thing again. Yep. Look at that, man. You're right down the middle everywhere.
Feels good.
Very good. This is your Houston chiropractor and your favorite massage therapist here in Houston, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, home of the Super Bowl 51. We'll see y'all soon.